How is your feeling after waiting? That's mean বিজার পরে আপনার অনুভূতিটা কেমন?
I'm very good.
You are feeling very good.
Yes.
So I have to wait you more. I have to more. You are feeling good. As you can see on my left side, there are banana trees are available here. So it is a really amazing moment we are spending here. Now we are walking together. On my left side, and it is look like desert. And after desert, there is a river which is called Rajabag. Maybe I don't know exactly what is the name of this river. What is the name of this river? River name, please tell me. This is my cousin. His name is Tarek. After coming here, how is your feeling? Can you explain? মানে এখানে আসার পর তোমার অনুভূতি কেমন এটা বলো।
খুব ভালো লাগছে।
ভালো লাগছে? ভালো তো সবার লাগে, এখন ভালো লাগার পরিমাণটা যদি বলতা। আমরা এখন নিচের দিকে যাচ্ছি। অসাধারণ। Wow. Beautiful. It is really mesmerizing moment spending. My God. Finally, we have come to desert. As you can see, this is the desert where the people are surrounded this place and they are taking different types of photos. And we have come to this place for making this video and enjoying the natural beauty. And we are going to near the river, and you can see there is a sensor available, and oh, this is the look like wonderful, and today's sky is crystal clear, and already maybe the sun has sunset. That's why this is gloomy over the place. So dear viewers, as you can see, there are boys are running and they are competing together. Who can go far away? And maybe they are both of No, Jaflong is an amazing place. And I'm a Sylheti boy, so I can't say. Now we are bank of the river. He's my cousin and he's catching the water. Oh, this is water. This is water. They are really enjoying. Are you feeling exciting? How is your feeling after waiting? That's mean বিজার পরে আপনার অনুভূতিটা কেমন?
I'm very good.
You are feeling very good.
Yes.
So I have to wait you more. I have to more. You are feeling good. That's why you need to waiting. Now.
What is my animation?
I am going to there. Oh my goodness. 30 balls. Hat. There are boys. How are you boys?
Brother, what?
Say something, boys. So dear viewers, I want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Thalim's English Care. Bye bye.